Hi friends, hi everyone. Today it is May 4th, and as you know, as reading the title, it is my birthday. So today I have a few things planned. I am here at Dollar Tree and I am going to get some stuff, some gift bags for my kids, some goodie bags for my kids, and some other stuff from the other store next door, the grocery store, because I am making some cupcakes. So let's go. So I am back from Dollar Tree and I'm actually in my room hiding from my kids. But I want to show you what I got. I got me some plates and some cup. They're like rose gold, I don't know, that stuff. And I got two trays because I am going to make, I'm putting my cupcakes here, and then I'm also making strawberries, yeah, that. And I got a tablecloth for our table cover. I got a table cover. I got some soap. And okay, so I got some cleaning gloves there so I can clean that nasty bathroom. And then a sponge for the dishes. And I got the kids some goodies. I have three, so I was looking for one that came in a 3-pack. These are like small now that I look at them, but I guess. So I got some Skittles. I actually got 3. That would go in their bag. I got this one for my son. Hopefully he doesn't have it. I don't know. And I got 3 of these for them. And here's the other one. And I got them notebooks, 3, red, blue. And then I got some stickers for my girls. This is for the oldest one. And then this one's for my little one. Okay. And then I got some M&Ms for their bag. And then I got my son some dinosaurs because he's into the dinosaurs right now. So I am going to put I'm going to put these in the refrigerator just so they won't melt because it's hot and they were in my car. So I am going to do them later on, set them up, put them at the table for them. Put this at the table and get everything started. I'm going to start making my cupcakes. They will be, I got red velvet, and then the frosting would be cream cheese. I'm also going to start making chocolate covered strawberries. I don't know. So, but first I gotta make lunch, so let's go. Hopefully this works. So I have these. I'm gonna pour some in here and put it in the oven. Then I have a piping bag. I'm gonna put my mixture in here. Let's see. I fixed it now. I forgot to put water on the other one. That's why I was like, why is this mixture so thick? And I put them in the oven and it actually came out good. I just tried one. So they're alright. But on this one I added my leftover. I did put water. out the way I wanted it to turn out, but they're awfully good. The cream cheese is good. Look at that. And they're very moist inside as well. So, yeah. I think I need to get a cupcake pan. And because it's my birthday, I have goodie bags. Thank you for coming to my birthday party. Leilani, thank you for coming to my birthday party. Aww.
So cute! M&M's! I know! Oh, dinosaur! Yeah, that was mine! I love these little mini crowns! These dinosaurs!
So my kids made me a birthday card, a hand print. And here is their hand print. Another one there. And it says, "Happy birthday, Mom. We love you 5,000." And that's me. Super cute. I had a great time here at home, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on my next video. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye.